down through the ages, who spent their whole lives trying to be a light in the darkness, a haven for hoping that one day the whole world could see that your heart and my heart beat with one rhythm. We all love and bleed the same way. We dream that our children will know something better, and I know we long for the day when we'll hear the sound of peace, if we can just believe. Though it seems so distant, may we all learn to listen, to hear the sound of peace. There have been prophets who've tried to persuade us, and sages with wisdom of old, and their words still linger, ready to guide us if we'll just walk down that road. We will hear the sound of peace if we can just believe. Though it seems so distant, may we all learn to listen, to hear the sound of peace. Its voice is a whisper that drifts on the wind, asking us all to begin to hear the sound of peace, if we can just believe. Though it seems so distant, may we all